So today, I'm pretty pumped for today. It's, the hell, I don't know, like mid-December. Been raining the last couple days. We got a nice day. You may notice we're on the highway. Doing a little bit of highway riding today. A lot of highway riding, actually. Lots of highway riding ahead. We're on our way to Litchfield County. I got a buddy who I ride with on occasion. Got a new flashy camera, and he said to me, Mitch, do you want to get together sometime soon and take some pics of your little cafe racer? And I said, sir, how could I say no to that? So he recommended Litchfield because it's supposedly very beautiful. I've only driven through Litchfield like once or twice by accident. Not by accident, but just trying to give you guys a rundown before the highway traffic gets a little too crazy. I'm going to jump on what is, I know I call the Merritt Parkway the worst highway in the state. We're not getting on that today, but I know of something that might be worse, you know, and it's a little thing called I-84, so we're going to deal with that today. I'm not taking this fucking Mack truck 5 feet behind me. Sir, I know the lane ends on the left. Like, what are you doing? You're in the left lane, sir. I'm trying to just be casual right now, you know? I don't want to cause any ruckus. Of course. I haven't been on this highway in a minute. I used to be on these highways all the time. I used to live out in Western Connecticut. I have a feeling this truck wants to go by this little vehicle. So I'm really pumped to just get out here again, just because the bits of riding that I have been doing, I haven't been vlogging it or recording it because it's literally like we're just going out quick or you know, clearing the head or stretching the legs of this here vehicle. My God. At least this shit is flat. I would have called it quits by now already if all of this patchwork was not flat. That's kind of nice, I guess, that it's flush, but That's fine. Little white vehicle. I see you wanting. Sick. What the fuck is going on here? That's what I got for being nice, man. I jumped into the left lane. Or I jumped into the right lane to let that car by. He didn't really pounce on it. Oh, the lane ends. I see. That's cool. That's all good. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. Maybe not. What is going on? I don't recall seeing any signs or anything for this road work, which is interesting. You know? So obviously it's like mid-December and there's no trees or anything like that. I don't know how beautiful Litchfield's going to be, but I've been kind of feeling like going on one of these longer rides, you know, and there's good weather And while I'm not the kind of guy to say, hey, take photos of me, if I've got a helmet on, that's one thing. Oh, I'm in 6th gear again already. I guess I didn't realize how fast I was going. This is probably the longest I'm ever going to, or ever have been on the highway, like extensively, I guess you could say, you know, on a naked motorcycle. And the nice thing is I was hoping it wouldn't be too windy, but it's just been windy and rainy for several days, and this is the first day after the rain, so there should be less wind, which is nice. We like that. Yeah, I got everything, what do you call it? I've got extra batteries for the GoPro. I don't know what we're gonna do, man. I don't know. We're just gonna chill. We're meeting at a distillery. I don't know if that's because he knows that it's like a cool looking distillery and he wants that as a background. We'll see. We'll see. I'm thinking I might just ask him to take a fuck ton of pictures of the bike just so I can use them as thumbnails for my videos. Fucking stupid. This isn't that bad, I guess. It's really traffic heavy at times as we come up to, well, I wouldn't say it's particularly trafficy here, but a couple ways. I think I have to drive through it, so that was another thing. I liked the time of day that we were meeting because I knew it was going to be, you know, we'd be looking for exit 20. Ah, son of a bitch. It literally just told me to stay in the second lane from the right as I switch over. That's okay. We'll see what happens here. I don't think this is an exit only. Unless it was thinking that that was a lane, which I have seen before. I mean, I'm the next exit. Surely I want the right lane. No? Keep right. There we go. Route 8. Boom. Scada-bap-boom. I've never been in this lane before. This is Waterbury, one of the armpits of Connecticut. Nah, I'm just kidding. Well, now this highway, I have basically no experience on. At least, definitely not this stretch, north of the highway we just got off of.